Ladies and gentlemen, if you are new to Miro, I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know to use it properly. So let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to do is just jump straight onto this homepage, and I've just created a free account. You can, of course, upgrade. If you go up to the top right and you tap on upgrade, you can have a look at what features are actually available and you can upgrade. But exploring on the free tier is fantastic. So here you can go and click on explore templates. Okay, so you can actually choose from a pre-made template and you can customize that template. So if you don't want to build your board, straight from scratch, you want a template, this is fantastic. On the left, you have for you, and these are personalized recommendations. So when you set up your account, you'll actually choose a couple options as to what kind of work you do and your preferences, and this is where this comes from. You can also see that you can use a by use case filter. So for example, research and design, agile workflows, strategy and planning. There's so many options, and all you need to do is literally just click on it. You'll be able to preview the template, and then you can actually go ahead and use the template. All right, but if you want a little bit more, you can actually go right at the top over here. It has the from Miroverse, and you can go straight in here. Now this has a ton more options. You can go up to the top over here, and this is now the Miroverse. You can go into templates and you can choose from new popular templates. You can have a look at different roles. You can see over here there's use cases, there's different collections, and you can go down now and you can really just choose something that works best for you. One of the other things is if you've created your own template, you can actually submit a template right over here. But if you're looking for a template and you cannot find it, you can actually come down here, and if it's not in here, you can actually go ahead and go to templates, and you can go request template. Now over here, you will see here are all of the templates that have been requested. And this is all from the community. That's the fantastic part, the Miroverse community. So you can go in here, request a template, and you can actually give a short and long description of what type of template you're looking for and then post that request. It's amazing. So I'm going to go back to our home page now. I just want to go through a basic template over here. I'm going to go and look for the workflow, and you can actually see that there are a bunch of different things. I'm going to go and click on use template. Now, not everything's available on the free tier, but once you jump in here, you can completely customize everything that you see. So as you can see, this is quite a complex template, and here you can start adding, removing, and editing everything. So on the left, you've got your toolbar, which allows you for a number of functions. You can change your template. That means if you've added information over here, your own information, you can actually just change the template and see what it will look like in a different representation. You can also go ahead and create with AI, which is great. You can create a whole bunch of stuff. And then this function over here, which is your select and your move tool. So this will be your move tool. So if you click down, you'll move around. But if you use this and the shortcut there is V, you can actually just toggle that on and off, and you can actually select. So let's go over here and you can see. So we're going to just move over here. You can see that if you're with the select mode, you can actually just select this element, and you can then also go ahead and you can edit everything within this element. So as you can see here, you can edit everything that you see. So if you are seeing now this element, you can go and resize it as well. And then the 4 points on each of the sides allow you to connect this element with any other element via an arrow. So you can click down, drag it, and you can just connect it right over there. You can also just adjust the way the arrow looks, which is pretty cool. I like that a lot. And you can pretty much customize everything here as you please. So here is all of your customization options. But what's very nice here is if you go to the create with AI, okay, I just want to go to a new space. This space is actually limitless, so it's fantastic. You can pretty much do anything you want. You go into the AI over here and you can choose from sticky notes, documents, you can generate tables, images, and then the diagram. Now for me, I like the diagram. Now I've put in a very simple prompt. It says, make me a diagram showing the flow of a business through its stages of growth. Now that sounds very simple, and you can choose whether you want a flowchart, a mind map, an ER diagram, a UML sequence, or a UML class. I'm going to keep it as a flowchart, and we can go ahead and click on generate. Now this will generate a brand new flowchart right over here within your presentation. So let's just close this for now, and here you can actually see from the start we've got a startup, product development, market fit, we've got scaling, profitability, expansion, and then diversification. And here you can actually go ahead, you can select each one of these, and you can start editing, you can add on. So let's say we want to take this, and you can see over here, you can switch the type, you can completely customize this. Let's say that we want to just copy it. Let's go over here, let's put it right over here. And we want to say this is going to be product 1. So this is going to be product 1, and we're going to just duplicate this, and let's just select it, Control C, Control V. We're going to put product 2 over here, and we are going to paste another one. Let's just do this. So we can actually even put them all down over here. That would actually be fantastic. And then you can say this is going to be product 2, and this is going to be product 3. This is very basic. However, it is very important to know that this is fully customizable. All right, so you can actually just remove that. You can take this point over here, and you can move it also to that one. You can take this point and you can move it also to that one over there. So this is a nice way of sort of presenting your data in a diagram. You can also use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and once you're done pretty much with making your presentation amazing, you can go up to the top right hand side. Here you can have a look at some functionality tools. There's a timer, there's a voting feature, there's private mode, and then you can add notes. Everything with the little arrow next to it will be upgraded version feature only. You can also have a look at the activity, so you can actually manage the activity if you have more than one user on here. And then you can go into presentation mode, and then you can click on share, and you can share it in a number of different ways depending on how you would like. So you could invite members, you can embed it, and then you could also publish it right over here. So there's so many options that you can use, and there's so many ways that you can really customize Miro. Go ahead, explore, and see what amazing stuff you can come up with. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.